All right, so we're gonna roll in from 20 miles an hour.
Holy crap! Oh my god! Everything's moving so fast! 150 miles an hour! Oh my god, it's still going! Still going! 150 subscribers, 206.
Pretty easy. And I can just lift and coast here, you know, there's no drama breaking into it. It's pretty easy. So that was the top speed of the day, 207.
207?
Yeah.
That was the top speed of the day?
Yeah, we gave you that one.
Woo!
So we've been lifting at 205 just to make sure people understood they did clear 200, but I hung in there a little bit longer for you.
Can you go faster with the one with the smaller wing?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, quite a bit more.
What's your PR here?
215.
250?
Yeah.
Wow, well thanks, that was cool.